Hi! How to make paper decorations with hearts. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, like a standard printer sheet, A4 or letter. Place the paper so that the long side is closer to you. Fold the bottom edge of the paper up to the top edge. Align the edges carefully. Press firmly along the fold line. Fold the paper in half again along the center. Unfold the paper. Take scissors and cut along the lines you just made. Take one strip of paper. Fold it in half. Press along the fold. Fold it in half again. Press along the fold. Fold the paper in half one more time. Press along the fold. Take a pencil and draw a pattern. Cut along the drawn lines with scissors. Carefully unfold the paper. You'll have a beautiful heart paper decoration. You can make several garlands like this and glue them together.